Alright guys, so here's a little update on the red car. Last thing you heard, zero compression, cylinder 2. We got the motor out, it's behind me over there. So, got the motor out of the car. I didn't film it. We have other videos of pulling the motor out of the car, but I'll show you what the issue was. So, cylinder 2, the valve is completely broken. Yep, and the spark plug thing's all messed up. Come to find out, it has, it had a helicoil in it. So I guess the two metals, I don't really know what happened, but here's the helicoil. I don't really know what happened. I don't know if the helicoil broke and tore the valve up and tore the spark plug up. I really don't know. I don't really understand how the piston is completely fine. Like it has a fly cut, but there's not any nicks or nothing on the piston. So I guess I got lucky. Well, I had to pull the motor out of the car and take the whole thing apart, so that's going to cost me money to fix. But yeah, thankfully the short block wasn't hurt. So I have another set of cylinder heads. I'll just send them off and have a valve job done on them and have my springs switched from that cylinder head to another one. And but I'll show you I'll get my flashlight, but that's cylinder 2 right there, and there's no nicks or no signs of detonation on the top of the piston. So whatever it was just whatever caused the valve to decide to break. I don't really know what it was, but luckily the short block's not messed up, and this should be a fast turnaround. And I'll, while the motor's out, I'll take the time and put the new K-member and A-arms and all that in. I'll probably pull this piston out and make sure there's nothing that fell down beside the rings, because I still don't know where the pieces to the valve's gone. My ground strap for my spark plug's still missing, but maybe I got lucky and it all just flew out the exhaust. But to be on the safe side, I'll pull this piston out and make sure nothing's stuck in between the rings. There's no scoring on the cylinder walls. So we're going to take full advantage of the motor being out and the problem that we ran into to pull the front wheels and the factory K-member out, because we have the TMZ front K-member we're going to put back in it. Alright. Alright, good. Heavy piece of junk. Alright, so I got the K-member out, and I'll put the new K-member back in probably tomorrow or something, and I'll video that and give an update. I'll take the cylinder heads to the machine shop this week too, so hopefully that's a quick turnaround on that. While the car's just sitting in the garage, I'll do some of the rear suspension stuff that I showed in other videos. I don't remember if I showed the anti-roll bar. So we're Team Z, front K-member, A-arms, bump steer kit, their anti-roll bar, and the baseline suspension, upper and lower, tubular, like heim joint. But I'll show you all that when we do the install video. But K-member's out. The new K-member will go back in soon.